Top 5 Kitchen Utensil Holder. Number 5. Libodour Kitchen Utensil Holder. The Libodour Kitchen Utensil Holder is a practical and stylish solution for organizing cooking tools. Featuring a 360 degrees rotating design, it ensures easy access to utensils while its non-slip rubber base protects countertops. Measuring 6.25-inch length, 6.25-inch width and 8-inch high, this extra-large holder can store approximately 15 large-handled tools, such as spatulas, ladles, and whisks, helping create a tidy and efficient cooking space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it resists rust, fingerprints, and corrosion, ensuring durability and elegance. With drainage holes for quick drying, a removable divider, and dishwasher-safe construction, it's a user-friendly choice. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for kitchen enthusiasts. Number 4. Lifewit Silverware Drawer. The Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer offers a versatile and spacious solution for organizing kitchen drawers. Featuring 2 expandable panels, it adjusts from 13 to 22.4 inches to fit various drawer sizes. With dimensions of 22.4 by 15 inches when expanded, and 13 by 15 inches when folded, it accommodates a variety of utensils and flatware. Designed with 8 compartments in 3 sizes, it simplifies sorting and quick access. Made from durable, BPA-free PP material, this organizer ensures safety and longevity. Easy to clean with water, its user-friendly design promotes effortless organization, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Joseph DrawerStore. The Joseph DrawerStore Compact Utensil Organizer is a space-saving solution for organizing silverware in kitchen drawers. Its unique, stacked design features 5 angled compartments with cutlery icons for easy identification, accommodating up to 24 pieces of flatware. It fits drawers with a minimum height of 3.25 inches, making it ideal for compact spaces. Crafted from BPA-free materials, this organizer is both durable and practical. Easy to clean by hand washing and drying, it simplifies kitchen organization while maximizing drawer space, offering a neat and efficient way to store utensils. Number 2. Pipishell Bamboo Expandable Drawer. The Pipishell Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer offers a versatile and stylish solution for organizing various items. With 6 to 8 adjustable compartments, it expands from 13 to 19.6 inches, providing ample space for utensils, jewelry, stationery, or tools. Suitable for use in the kitchen, bedroom, living room, or utility room, its multipurpose design meets diverse organizational needs. Crafted from premium, mature bamboo, this organizer ensures durability and an elegant look, making it a long-lasting addition to your home. The sturdy construction keeps items secure, while easy maintenance with a damp cloth ensures hassle-free care. Simplify and beautify your space with this practical storage solution. Number 1. TAUCI Utensil Holder. The TAUCI Utensil Holder set offers a practical and stylish solution for organizing your kitchen countertop. This set includes 2 ceramic holders, a larger one 7.3 inches by 6 inches for up to 15 utensils and a smaller one 5.4 inches by 3.8 inches for flatware or coffee pods. Versatile in design, these holders double as vases or storage for hair tools. Made from premium ceramic, they are sturdy, stable, and easy to clean, ensuring a secure countertop experience. With a modern ribbed design, they complement any decor. Ideal as a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts, this set promotes an organized kitchen while enhancing culinary efficiency and style. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.